Good morning, party people. Got my turbo shirt on. Chi-town, y'all. I am still in Chicago. Today is Tuesday. I am leaving Chicago noonish tomorrow, which is Wednesday. I am currently involved in 2 manual swaps, and one of them has a lot of other goodies going on. John's car, man. We're doing suspension stuff, interior stuff, all kind of stuff. So this is a handful. I got a couple other people I'm supposed to see, have not been able to see them yet. Things are not going as smooth as I hoped. However, I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going back to Cincinnati. I will be back in Chicago Sunday. Hopefully wrap up these manual swaps Sunday and Monday. Then I will be available Tuesday, part of Wednesday, maybe all of Wednesday, to help people take care of stuff they want to get done. So that's the plan. Leaving Wednesday, back Sunday. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. We are close. The toughest part of the job, getting that transmission to line up with that crank sensor mount, that's the hardest part. We're real close. This transmission jack. So, that's how far we're off. We need to come clockwise a little bit, about a bolt length, maybe up a little bit higher, and we can get this thing to grab this bolt. We might be able to get these splines to line up and turn this thing in. All right, it stopped. It's got something's going on, so we gotta do some wiggling, finagling, try to get this thing to fall in place. So that's where we're at right now. We conquered it. As usual, got a bolt in here, bolt in on the other side, couple bolts in on the top. It's pulled all the way in, boys. However, when we're down here, somebody bent this coolant line on the turbo and they got it touching the housing. So we're gonna break that 17 loose, turn that a little bit because it's even in the way of the intake pipe. This needs a zip tie or something on it to help it stay on, and just gotta clean up little other things that's going on when you're down here doing this work. I am rolling down here into Chicagoland, taking a break. We got that transmission hung for Chris. He's doing a few things on there. Rumor has it, pictures verified, LKQ South has a 850R or a clone 850R down here. Had a bumper on it, had some Volans on it, had RCs, had R-dash. I'm going down to see if there's anything left or if somebody picked this thing clean.
In a quarter mile, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 53 for I-55 South Stevenson Expressway towards St. Louis.
They had all day Friday, all day Saturday to get what they wanted. It is Sunday, 11:20. I'm gonna see if anything's left. Let's check it out, folks. The big Chi-town, baby. We are in like Flint. I am looking for row 20, space 15. Supposed to have this 850R down here, boy. It's row 48. I don't know which way to go from here, but I'm pretty smart, so I'll figure it out. That's why my mama called me son, because I'm bright. We're gonna go left. Hot picks, LKQ. I would like to make my official comment that it is too cold to be out here. Well, heck, where in the heck's road 20? Huh. I may not be as smart as I think. That's row 17, and that's row 31. Where in the heck is row 20? Ah, there we go. Man, this yard is huge. Had me worried there. I thought I was losing my smartness. I think this is it, folks. That's row 21. This would be row 20. Spot 15. See if this R is here. I see the hood open. I don't see no bumper from here. And it looks like it still has a bumper. Man, this is my day. My day. Somebody left an R bumper out here for me. Huh. It's ugly, but it's an R bumper. I don't care how ugly it is. Let me see what this hood looks like, man. Don't tell me I got a new hood for Panther. A straight hood for Panther. Can y'all believe this? I don't know what this is, but it looks like it'll come right off. I got a hood and a bumper. My. Oh shoot, it's a wagon. It's a wagon, folks. I don't know what year it is. That's a weird tailpipe. Never seen one like that before. Let's see what year it is. It's a R. It's a 97R. See if this dash is busted up. The dash is not busted. I'm shocked. Needs a hood liner. That's all it's down here for. Hood liner and some paint work. This is a shame. A shame. Alright, I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna get this bumper off, get that back to the car, and then see what else I need to get this hood. Probably get these seats. Seats ain't even torn, man. This is crazy. Yep. This is my day, people. They must have replaced this rear hatch at one time with something. But dash pad's not even bad. Top of the bumper even looks good. But I'm gonna take it apart. It's got a little chunk out of it here. That may be a piece that can be fixed. I don't know. It's better than not having one, that's for sure. Oh man, this hood is not gonna work for me. It's got hail damage. Dang, I'm glad I took another look at it. It's probably got 60 dents on it from hail damage. But the bumper's gonna work. Somebody couldn't get the bushing in there. I don't think it's got anything else special, but I'll look around. I'll look around, man. Somebody asked me for a spring off one of these lights. Guess I'll grab that for them. Yeah, it's most of the suspension stuff is kind of old. It's got some gray springs on it. I hope somebody didn't put. It don't matter. It's here now. It's here now, baby. You know what I mean? He could well be thinking, or not thinking, or whatever. Okay, I'm only gonna say this once. When you see an 850R in the junkyard, this is how it's supposed to look when you leave. Alright? Anybody got any questions? I got answers. And this is what your wagon is supposed to look like. So, don't let none of this R stuff go to waste, man. You gotta hit these things right. Renee knows what I'm talking about. I got your amp, Renee. And of course, I'm glad the car was empty. I don't know how I got half of that stuff in here. Got that up there. So I should be good to go. Good to go, y'all. Whoop whoop. Panther on the prowl. Well, about to have some more fun. We got all that stuff knocked out down at the salvage yard. I talked to John. He said that he is okay with me taking a couple of days for Christmas, going back to Cincinnati, hanging out with the family, coming back here after Christmas to finish his manual swap because I forgot his clutch kit. That's probably what we're going to do because I got enough other stuff to do here for a couple of days. So we're going to start hacking away at some of this stuff, order a couple of parts that I know we need, and get this thing set up to go in nice, fast, and steady. So that's where we're at. I'm going to go ahead and look up some parts to order and get to work on the manual swap parts. I'm getting ready to go on the inside, swap the pedals over, install the shifter, and do those wonderful things, and get this stuff out here set up, install the gauges and wire up all of that wonderful stuff so that when we drop this tune in, his thing will be firing on all cylinders. So that's where I'm at. Probably won't get a lot of clips in tonight because I'm at 15%, already low on my battery, but I'll do what I can. Got the dash off to replace the odometer gear. Got the heater cord lowered. You see all this wonderful stuff out. Got the firewall junction replaced. About to hook the heater cord back up and start putting this inside back together, but I do need to remove the cluster and change the odometer gear. At the firewall junction all hooked up, heater core all connected. Next we're going to do the odometer gear. Not sure what is going on with this plastic, but we're going to replace this thing here. And I believe the mileage is real close to 262. Going with a high dollar IPD gear. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.